Hello YouTube, this is Sonic2KK here, and we in this tutorial we will be continuing on from where we left off in the last tutorial. So in the last tutorial we learned about or and how to get user input and the general if statement. So just as a recap, we get the user to enter their age, we check if their age is greater than 10 and if their age is less than 30. Now I'm going to teach you about a symbol here. I'm actually going to be teaching about not, and that's going to be a little tricky to teach about because it's different. Not is different from not equal to, and that is the confusing part. But don't let it confuse you. Say don't click on any other Minecraft videos. Don't click on YouTube poop. We're going to actually teach you something here, and you're going to learn. So say we want to check if their age. And if their age is not equal to 50, 10, or just the so I just want to make use of or. So what are we doing here? Right, this means not equal to. So I'm gonna go over it. So here we're saying if the age that they enter is greater than 10, or if the age they enter is equal to 11, and if the age they enter is less than 30, and if the age they enter is not equal to, this means not equal to 50, then, so if they don't, if the age they enter is more than 10, or if it's equal to 11, and if the name is less than 30, and if the age is not equal to 50. So this checks, and all this has to be true. So their age has to be greater than 10, or it has to be equal to 11, and it has to be less than 50, and it has to, it can't be 50. It has to be less than 30, and not equal to 50. So let me just give you, hold on, save this. Let me give you an example. Let me just show you it in action. Right, that isn't working. I don't know why that isn't working. I don't think you can have there. Oh! Right, so, let me just show you this now. I just forgot to put in the age variable to compare it with. Because this is called comparison. These are comparison operators. This is a comparison operator technically as well. But enter your age, please. So, say I enter 60. It says you are extremely awesome because the age was not equal to 50. Keep that in mind. So the age was greater than 10, and it didn't need to be equal to 11 because it was equal to 10. And the age was less than 30, and the age wasn't equal. No, well, the age wasn't less than 30. What did I enter? Strange. Yeah, so that's how this works. Let me just take away the not equal to part because I think you get the idea. So if age is equal to 10, then print awesome sauce.exe. That'll be the semicolon. Right. So this is all well and good, but say we want something to happen if the user doesn't enter it. If the age they enter isn't equal to 10, then we're going to say else print. Aw, too bad you need to die. Right, so this is going to say, right, so it's going to say, right, look, see this variable here? Is it equal to 10? Say we enter 11. It's going to say, wait, no, it's actually not. And then we're going to be like, what? Alright, so, since it's not, you're going to have to do this piece of code. So, else, if this is false, then we're going to do this. How much time we got? Yeah, we've got plenty of time. Enter your age, please, 10. It's going to say awesome sauce.exe. Say we enter 23. they'll say, oh, too bad, you need to die, because the age wasn't equal to 23. So hopefully you get that. Now, we're suffering from a bit of a problem here. Now, we could just keep writing if statements and else statements to check it, but say we wanted to do it all in the one block, because this is a block, right? Anything you have to put end at the end of, it's considered a block. So this block of code, say we want to put all our checking on one block of code. Well, as far as we know, we can't do that, because you can't just keep writing if, because that would break. That would break it. So what are we going to do? Because right now it seems impossible. Well, it's actually not. It's really possible in Lua. Otherwise, what would be the point of the language? So, I'm going to teach you about a thing called else if. So, else if age is greater than, or age is greater than, or equal to 50, then print. Yeah, I couldn't think of anything to print. Actually, no, let's print, you're old. So, it's going to check if your age is equal to 10. If the user enters the number 10 as their age, then it's going to print awesome sauce.exe. But if the age they enter is greater than or equal to 50, hold on, this is supposed to be else if. So what we're doing here is we're saying, is this true? Nope. Alright, so, hold on. If we enter 13, let's just assume we enter 13. We enter 13 as our age. So is the age equal to 10? Or no, say we enter 60. 60, right. The age we enter is 60. You know what, I'm just going to show you and then I'll explain it because I have something to compare it to. Well, no, 60. Let me enter 50. This isn't working. Why is this not working? Hold on. So is the age we enter greater than equal to... Age we enter, right? So we're checking. So here we're supposed to be checking. So it says else if. So if this isn't true, is our age greater than or equal to 50? And if we enter 50, it is equal to 50. This means greater than or equal to. Print year old. Maybe the program just doesn't want to tell me I'm old. I have no idea why this isn't working. Why is it not working? Let's take away the else. Then it probably won't print anything out. As far as I know. 50. Now it's working. What the heck? Print. Fail. I can't type. Yeah, that's working. For some reason. Wait, did it print out? No, because I entered 50. Anyway. That's getting confusing. So, what we're doing here is we're checking if the user enters 10 for their age. No more, no less. It has to be exactly equal to 10. If we enter 50, it's not. So, is the age they enter greater than or equal to 50? If we enter 50, then it is equal to 50. Then we're going to print you're old. If both of these are false, then we're going to print fail. So, say we enter 5. It's going to say fail. Now, you can have as many else ifs as you want. So, else if age is less than or equal to 50. Then print. Could the else get printed? No, I don't think the else can be printed. The else doesn't work. Sad face. Because the else will never work because we're checking for every possible number as far as I'm aware, because we're checking if the age there is greater than or equal to 50, and we're checking if it's less than 50. So if it's greater than 50, this will get printed out. Greater than 50 or equal to 50, it'll get printed out. If it's less than or equal to 50, it's going to get printed out. So we're checking for everything. Now, and you can have as many else ifs as you want. You can have 100, you can have 1 billion, you can have 1,000,000, you can have 1,000,000,000. You can have any number of else ifs that you want. And this is useful. This is very useful in programming. So yeah, I hope you actually learned something from this tutorial. We have some time left. But that's going to be the end for this tutorial. Hopefully you understand control flow now. So we're basically saying if something's equal to something, then do this. Else if the other thing is true, then do this, and so on and so on. I think you get it. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I will see you next time.